ओके गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीकेंड व्लॉग। आज हम जा रहे हैं लोथल। ओके, लोथल इज़ अ प्लेस इट्स वेरी ओल्ड। बहुत लोगों ने आपको बताया होगा, सुना होगा आपने हिस्ट्री में, कहीं पढ़ाई करने में हिस्ट्री नोटबुक में एक छोटा सा चैप्टर होता है एंशिएंट सिविलाइजेशन। तो आज हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं। द रीज़न वाई दिस ब्लॉग इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी, और क्योंकि आज हम थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा दूर जा रहे हैं। वी आर पुशिंग आवर लिमिट्स, क्योंकि आज जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं वो है 172 किलोमीटर्स दूर। ओके, यू सी गूगल मैप्स भी चालू है मेरे, और तो आज हम थोड़ी दूर जा रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग अ लिटिल बिट फार, वी आर पुशिंग आवर लिमिट्स। फुल टैंक ऑफ डीजल, और let's see.
Take the next right to National Highway 27, then turn left onto National Highway 27.
Okay, so Google is asking me to take a turn. हम ले लेंगे, but yes, जब से मैंने गाड़ी ली है,
40 kilometers.
जब से मैंने ये गाड़ी ली है, I've not कोई बड़ी ट्रिप नहीं लगाई है मैंने। मैं यूजुअली 60-70 किलोमीटर्स का ट्रिप लगाता हूँ, ताकि मैं दिन में निकल के दिन में ही वापस आ जाऊँ। तो आज शाम को रिटर्न होने में शायद 7-8 बज जाए, बट आई थिंक दैट्स फाइन। इसी रास्ते पे सीधे सीधे जाना है, और सो लेट्स सी, ठीक है। एंड सो इस वीकेंड हम जा रहे हैं लोथल। या आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग वहाँ पे शायद 1-2 लोग तो होंगे, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस है नहीं हमारे सिविलाइजेशन के प्रति, क्योंकि दिस इज़ आई थिंक 3000-4000 BC की हम बात कर रहे हैं। तो 2000 में भी 3000 साल पहले की बात कर रहे हैं। वहाँ पे लोग रहते थे और अच्छे से प्लानिंग करके रहते थे। अभी तो प्लान्ड टाउन्स का भी तो रीसेंट कंसेप्ट है, ऐसा बोलते हैं 21st सेंचुरी का, बट वहाँ पे 3000 साल पहले प्लान्ड और ये सब चीज़ें ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस में थी। तो let's go and let's check out that place, और व्लॉग करेंगे हम। 1 मिनट, अभी थोड़ा सा रास्ता टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो चुका है। गियर शिफ्ट करने के लिए आई हैव टू टेक इट ऑन द राइट साइड। सो आई थिंक आई एम एंजॉइंग दिस वीकेंड व्लॉग्स। मैं काफ़ी एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जब संडे होता है और मुझे एक ही दिन ऑफ मिलता है, सो 1 day ऑफ द वीक, और मैं यूजुअली हमें ऐसा लगता है कि एक दिन अगर छुट्टी मिल रही है तो मैं आराम करूँगा, ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा। बट क्या होता है पता है, मैं पूरा दिन घर पे बैठा रहता हूँ, या तो इंस्टाग्राम पे रील स्क्रॉल करता हूँ, या तो BGMI खेलता हूँ, एंड दैट्स इट, ठीक है। तो मुझे अभी वो नहीं करना है, रील रोड्स, लुक एट द रोड्स, या सो यूजुअली क्या होता है कि द कॉप्स, तो जैसे आपको एक दिन छुट्टी मिलती है, आप क्या करते हो? जैसे मैंने अपना बताया, मैं बस बैठे बैठे इंटरनेट पे कुछ स्क्रॉल करूँगा, वीडियोस देखूँगा, कुछ नेटफ्लिक्स वगैरह, ठीक है। तो और ये चीज़ फॉर मी इट्स टाइम वेस्ट, सबके लिए टाइम वेस्ट ही होती है। तो मैंने कुछ सोचा कि क्यों ना हर संडे लेट्स ट्राई आउट व्लॉगिंग। मुझे व्लॉगिंग बहुत टाइम से करना था, ओके, बट कंटेंट क्रिएशन, जैसे कि आप सब लोगों को पता ही होगा, और बहुत लोग भी कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं अभी, सब एवरीवन इज़ अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर नाउअडेज। सो आई वाज लाइक ओके, मे बी लेट मी जस्ट स्टार्ट व्लॉगिंग, ठीक है, क्योंकि मेरा काफ़ी एजुकेशनल कंटेंट भी है, टीचिंग कंटेंट भी है मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल पे। जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है और पहली बार ये व्लॉग देख रहे हैं, मैं एक इंग्लिश टीचर हूँ। सो टीचिंग इज़ माई प्रोफेशन। आई एम टीचिंग दीज डेज़, यानी मैं पिछले 5 साल से टीचिंग कर रहा हूँ। उसके पहले मैं UPSC के लिए तरसता नहीं, मतलब UPSC के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था, और हर साल एग्ज़ाम देता था। फिर मुझे पता चला कि ये तो भाई एक दलदल है, आप प्रिपरेशन करते रहोगे, पूरा ज्ञान आपका ऐड होता रहेगा, अगर आप सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए तो फिर वो ज्ञान का कोई मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है। दैट इज़ स्पेशली व्हाट आई फील, क्योंकि अगर आप रिजर्व कैटेगरी से है तो आपको UPSC और गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम्स, इन सब चीज़ों में पढ़ना चाहिए। बट अगर आप जनरल कैटेगरी से हैं तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये चीज़ आपके लिए नहीं है। ओके, आई नो थोड़ा सा कंट्रोवर्शियल ओपिनियन है, बट कमेंट डाउन बिलो। अगर आप जनरल कैटेगरी से है और मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से है तो एटलीस्ट एक बार आपने सोचा होगा कि काश मैं कोई अफसर बन जाऊं, IAS IPS, और अपने फैमिली का कुछ उद्धार कर दूं। तो जब मैं टीचर था उससे पहले मैंने यही सोचा था कि मैं एक अफसर बन जाऊंगा और अपने फैमिली के लिए कुछ करूंगा, ये वो फलाना ढिमका। और सब यही करते हैं, इसमें कुछ नया नहीं है। जनरल कैटेगरी वाले भी लोग होते हैं जो सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। मैं लोगों को डिस्करेज नहीं करना चाहता हूं जो मेरे व्लॉग देख रहे हैं कि वो चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए, बट अगर आप जनरल कैटेगरी से हैं तो चीज़ें आपके लिए थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मुश्किल होंगी। ऑलराइट, सो इनफ अबाउट दैट। यस, तो हर संडे हम क्यों व्लॉग करते हैं? क्योंकि मैं अपना टाइम इस तरह स्पेंड करना चाहता हूँ। इट गिव्स मी अ बिट ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन जब मैं अपना टाइम इस तरह स्पेंड करता हूँ। एटलीस्ट मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्टिव तो किया है। घर बैठे खाली मैंने BGMI नहीं खेला है और खाली टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया है इंटरनेट पे स्क्रॉलिंग करते करते। ठीक है, सो यस, आज हम जा रहे हैं लोथल और 170-80 किलोमीटर्स का ड्राइव है। आई एम गोइंग टू एंजॉय दिस ड्राइव, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कुछ लोग, अगर आप रोड ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं और आपके दिमाग में कॉन्स्टेंटली ये चल रहा है कि मैं रिटर्न कब आऊँ, तो दैट ड्राइव इज़ यूजुअली नॉट टू गुड। तो आज मैं बस इसी इंटेंशन से निकला हूँ गाड़ी लेके कि बस आई वांट टू जस्ट एंजॉय द ड्राइव। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट ड्राइव आई एम टेकिंग दैट इज़ मोर देन 100 किलोमीटर्स। यूजुअली मैं व्लॉग करने जाता हूँ वो 60-70 किलोमीटर्स होता है, बट आज हम जहाँ जा रहे हैं वो काफ़ी दूर है और मुझे शाम तक वापस आना है, जब तक डे लाइट है उसी में। ठीक है, तब मैं अगर बीच में अगर मैं कोई ब्रेक लूँ तो आई विल मे बी व्लॉग इट, बट अब डायरेक्ट कैमरा मैं ऑन करूँगा सीधा लोथल पहुँच के। ऑलराइट, सो I'll see you guys when I reach Lothal. Okay, so I took a break. I've covered half of the journey. 50% of the distance has been covered. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं हूँ यहाँ पे. This is a place. Okay, some rest stop. Okay, so now we begin the rest. So we have completed 25% of the exact journey. फिर मैं वहाँ पहुँचूँगा. Then again we'll come back the one whole that thing. So the return distance को count करते हुए I've completed 1/4 of the journey and I'm trying to reach there at least an hour later from now. क्योंकि वहाँ जाएंगे फिर vlogging will take a time. It takes some time. मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. I cannot straight away start vlogging with full intensity. ठीक है, तो this is going to be my lunch, Snickers bar. Because like I said, when I'm traveling, मैं जब travel कर रहा होता हूँ, and if I eat a lot, not exactly a lot, even if I eat a decent amount of food, digestion, it slows you down. Biologically, that is the thing that has been established. Okay, so yeah, so this is the lunch. This is Snickers bar, and I'll have, because it will give me some sugar content, some sugar rush, or it will give me some burst of energy, and that should be enough. ठीक है, so next I'm going to switch on the camera when I reach Lothal. All right. This is Lothal. Let's see, guys. पहुंच गए हैं Lothal. I'm here. This is the place. Let me first talk about the drive. I had an amazing drive. Let's see. Photo. कैमरा आलसे ना कैमरा नहीं,
कैमरा फोटो खींचने के लिए तो
हाँ,
है, लेकिन वो ड्रोन नहीं लेके आना।
नहीं, ड्रोन नहीं है, कैमरा ये उड़ता नहीं है, पकड़ना ही पड़ता है।
कोई दीवार ऊपर क्या ना चढ़े नहीं।
ना ना काई नहीं अजय 22 કે 21 થઈ
એસટી ઓછું થાય 22 તારીખે આગળ
જીએસટી માં આપણે શું ફાયદો છે ભાઈ? એ મોટા માણસોને ફાયદા છે. આપણે તો જે હે એ બધે ખર્ચા જ હે.
આ તો બધા જે મોટા મોટા ધંધા લઈને બેઠા હોય ને
એ લોકોને હે. આપણે તો ઈ જ છે, પેટ્રોલ ઈ હે ને ડેટા ઈ છે ને બધું. Chalo, let's read this. The ancient mound at Lothal was excavated D.S.R. Rao, 1955. It's Acropolis, Lower Town. चलो भाई आगे हम लोथल में. इट्स एन अमेजिंग प्लेस. सो वी रेड इट बैक देयर. पीछे हमने पढ़ा कि ये 2500 सदी का घर, मतलब 2500 CE. तो जिनको सेंचुरीज़ का टाइम स्केल अगर नहीं पता है उनके लिए है कि ये सो लेट्स से दिस प्लेस वाज बिल्ड अराउंड 3000 BCE. ओके, यू सी दिस वाज सपोज्ड टू बी अ डॉकयार्ड. Okay, this is supposed to be a dockyard, meaning close to 3000 years ago when there were people who were not born. Okay, let me list them. Christianity and Islam had not divided or had not tethered itself from the Jewish people. So there was no Jesus Christ, there was nothing such as Prophet Muhammad, there were no other faiths. Okay, at that time this was the place where these people had dockyards. Okay, dockyards meaning there were ships that were coming here. Okay, or so the reason why, because people don't usually understand this time scale. Okay, आपको centuries का इतना पता रहता नहीं है. तो so 3000 BCE. The drive to this place is also very scenic. If you are planning on coming here, आप इधर आना चाहते हैं तो there are amazing landscapes that you will see through the windows. And this is supposed to be a well. This is supposed to be a well. कुआं है. There are some places. Let's see. Okay. Yes. Let's go at the top. We're going to go at the top and we're going to sit there and see if there is something worth over here. So there's a place. I'm going to sit here. Yep. This is the view. So so I wanted to talk about the reason why I'm here. Okay, so far I've chosen caves that are very ancient. So far I've chosen sites that are very ancient. Okay, this is the beauty of our country that we don't realize. There were things that were taking place at this place when there was nothing such as a Western civilization. Okay, there were ships built. There are specific structures over here where they loaded. Okay, यहाँ पे ships आती थी, यहाँ माल सामान का trading होता था. So you're telling me that these people who had such advanced technology. I'm not talking in terms of technology as we see right now. But what I'm talking about is the intellectual process, the intellectual capital that this place had must be worth something. I don't know, we are not taught in schools about this, not enough at least. Because see, a site of this importance must have some security. There was just one guard outside. Yeah. Let's see. lived. This is where people lived. Yeah. See? So this structure obviously is raised. Okay, they had the common sense of settling down on higher than sea level. So yeah. So what I was talking about is there was no security at this place. यहाँ पे there was no, like, anyone can come and go. This is supposed to be protected. I mean, okay, this place is worth. Yep. So let's read. So let's see. The Acropolis, or the royal residential area, stood on a high platform. There were large houses with all important components. The remains of the Acropolis are trapezoidal in plan. Okay, they might have planned this. Trapezoid cannot be a coincidental measurement. So if it was planned as a trapezoid, they must have planned it properly. It cannot be a coincidence. All right. The main residence stood on 3.5-meter high podium measuring so and so. There were 3 streets, 3 lanes, and a brick-lined well. Okay, there were streets and there were lanes. So this is deliberate. It was planned. Elaborate drainage system was attached to the baths. Okay, there were drainage systems. So for those of you who are watching this and still do not understand the time scale where this existed, let me just break it down to you. 2500 BCE. So right now we are living in 2025. Okay, if you rewind the clocks back 2025 years, you will reach a point of 0. And that was the place where nearby Christianity and Islam, they divided, or they were divorced from the Jewish faith or Judaism. Okay, Islam a little later, but Christianity as a delimited form of religion came after the 1st century. All right, so yeah, so when you reach that point of 0 after rewinding back 2025 years, you still go back in time 1,000 years. That is exactly when we have 2000 BCE, and at that time this place had, okay, there are 3 streets, 3 lanes, there were baths. Okay, there were 12 houses of uniform dimension. Each house was made. Okay, so everything you see over here is supposed to be deliberate. It wasn't a coincidence, and there's a reason why it exists in this place, in this part of Bharat. I'm not sure if you're allowed to climb this. There are some birds, if you can see. Okay, so just to get a good angle to show it to you guys. Yep, the whole thing is supposed to be in a trapezoid, in form of a trapezoid. This is what is actually surviving. Okay, we'll have to see some rendition, AI rendition of this place, how the houses had existed. If you see over here, okay, you can see the weather definitely is amazing. Yep, there's a bird. Chalo. यहाँ पे भी these bricks, look at the color. I mean, I don't exactly know. Yep. This is supposed to also be something. All right. So brick kiln, it was supposed to be. They also had an elaborate method of producing these bricks, and there is also some sort of a lower town. Okay, what we saw over there, which was trapezoidal in shape, okay, that was fort, that is the higher town. So there was clearly some segregation in population. Okay, people who were allowed to live at a certain place, then there were people who are also supposed to live in some other place. Okay, here the well, okay, it's not too deep, but definitely the voice is echoing out of, okay, this is supposed to be, okay, Okay, there are definitely some drainage systems as well. Okay, you see these things. This is deliberate. Somebody sat down. They had sciences. Okay, they like. How else are you supposed to build things like this without clear cut? Now the debate over here, my fellow countrymen or nationals, is were these people really the ancestors of the current lot in Bharat, the current nationals of Bharat? Okay, this is where the myth of Aryan migration theory comes in. Okay, we are made to believe that people who lived here had nothing to do with Vishnu, Shiv, nothing. These got Pashupatinath. These people worshipped, I think, Pashupati form. We have found seals. Okay, we have found seals in Harappa, and this was I would say a faraway colony, a port in the Harappan civilization. Okay, so Harappans, they worshipped Pashupatinath. Okay, there were some seals that were discovered, and Pashupati is the name that is usually given to Shiv, Mahadev. So these people, they were our ancestors. Okay, this is where all that we practice today, all that we know as dharma, this is where it originated. This was the place. Okay, I'm thrilled to be here, but at the same time I'm also a little bit pissed because there is no proper security over here. This is like, this shows that we don't have, you know, an ounce of empathy for our own culture, for our own intellectual capital. Okay, so there is supposed to be a bead factory over here as well, Markanu Karkhanu. Okay, here. Okay, so I'm going to read it in English. I can also read it in Gujarati and Hindi as well. मैं दोनों भाषा में बोल सकता हूँ, पढ़ सकता हूँ, हिंदी और गुजराती में. In fact, मैं decent amount का लिख भी सकता हूँ. I'm not a very good writer. I can write quickly in Gujarati, but Gujarati, Hindi both, but not as quick as English. I know. That is the cruel irony, right? I want to be more sympathetic and empathetic towards my civilization, but I have to do it in the language of the colonizer. There is a lot to talk about there as well, but right now, a brick mud structure of 11 rooms with a central courtyard, blah blah blah. This was a bead factory. Okay, there. Alright, so they produced things over here. Okay, as you can see. Yep. Let's see. To the very least, this place could have been turned into like a garden or something. There are proper places where you can, you know, sit. Here. This is something that a lot of people don't understand. Okay, now people over here, they will ask questions that, okay, the people in Bharat, they usually, what do? We burn them. Okay, there is a pyre that is lit and the mortal remains of the body are supposed to be put on fire, and that is how you merge with Brahman. That is how your soul is rid of the bondage of the flesh, so on and so forth. That is philosophy. But yes, these people, now this is where the lower town people lived. Okay, so clearly, yes, there was some segregation in population. Okay, this could be considered as an origin of the, Varna Pratha, maybe, if that is what you think. Okay, by the way, people need to educate themselves on the Varna Pratha. It was totally different. Here, I'm still learning the angles. Okay, so forgive me if my camera work is a little bit off. This is supposed to be where they lived. This was the lower part of the town. That was the higher part of the town, the trapezoid one. Let's go and look at the cemetery. These people, they buried their dead. Okay, so here people will be quick to rush that. See, okay, you people burn them, these people bury. There is clearly some distinction. These people cannot be your forefathers. To them, I would say that our civilization is a living creature It has been constantly adapting to the changes that the time presents. Okay, so yep, so this is supposed to be, yep, this is where a lot of people might have been buried. If I'm sure if we dig deep enough, there will be. Yep, this is where they lived. As you can see, the walls, they have clear-cut boundaries, they have clear-cut delimitation. So clearly, yes. Okay, so see the birdie. Hey, I think he does not like me. You're not alone, fella. Chalo. It's humid. Okay, so let's see. There were a lot of things in mind that while I was driving the car, मेरे मन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो मैंने दिमाग में रखी थी कि ऐसे व्लॉग करते टाइम मैं ये सब बोलूँगा, बट अभी मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आ नहीं रहा है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अबाउट इट फॉर दिस लोथल व्लॉग. ओके, या, this is a little bit further away from Rajkot. So earlier I took 60-70 kilometer trips. This is roughly 180 kilometers. So if you're planning to come over here, I would recommend you start early in the morning. Okay, I started at 11:30, 11:45. I left Rajkot and I reached here. I don't know what's the time. Let me see. Time is 3:15 right now. So we left it. We will count it as 12. Okay, I left Rajkot as 12. And right now it's 3. So it's almost 3:15. So yes, chalo, it's going to take some time. So the reason why I came during the daytime is because I have to reach by the time daylight ends. Okay, that is the rule. I cannot drive at night. It's not cannot, it's like should not. Every driver who is worth his salt knows that you're not supposed to drive at night because the visibility is low. Okay? Yep. So I think this should be it. Okay, we are done for this vlog in Lothal, and you can check out my other platforms. I have an Instagram profile. You can check out my other video content on YouTube about teaching and all. Alright, that's it guys, that's it from the Lothal vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.